I started school in 2022, and before that, my grandmother passed away and a few other close relatives passed away, and my job was ending the next year, so I'm like, this is the time for me to follow my passion. I enjoy baking. It's my passion. It's my peace. Whenever I'm feeling frustrated, baking is the way to release any issues or anxiety I may have. I've learned that I had more patience than I thought, actually. And with dealing with a lot of family issues and health issues, it also helped me try to put myself first, sometimes, because with me, I love my family, so I put them and their needs first at times, but starting the program and my grandmother passing, it just made me realize that, hey, it's great to be a part of your family and be there for them, but also put yourself first and understand that you have to do this in order to progress into something more and also help them in the long run. I encourage them to come here as well because it's great, I would say my grandmother of her passing, that made me think put myself first. But honestly, my husband, growing up, I used to get easy bake ovens, growing up every Christmas. That was my favorite thing to do. And I would sneak and get ingredients from the kitchen and try to make some stuff up. So I've always enjoyed baking, but it wasn't until we got together. He was like, you know what, let's make a pound cake. And I'm like, okay, I don't know, but I tried it. It was great. And after that, it was baking galore after that, nonstop. So I would definitely say my husband and the passing of my grandmother, but also my family in general, to let them know that, hey, we have skills of our own that we can excel on if we just put our minds to it. Get the education, get the experience, and you're golden. I would hope that I inspire my family members and friends or people that's close to me to follow their dreams. I attended Culinary University. I do have a bachelor's degree in business administrations, but a healthcare emphasis. So I wasn't thinking about baking, back then. But as time went on, I'm like, hey, healthcare is great, but I want to find another way to help people or make people come together, because food, everyone comes together for food, Walking across the stage for graduation is going to be an exciting moment for me. It's another great milestone that I feel as though I've accomplished in my life, from getting my bachelor's degree to now an associate's, but more into what I want to do. I'll also be receiving an honors medallion and being recognized as a member of PTK, which is exciting for me. In 5 years, honestly, I do intend to have my own brick and mortar. That's something that I do see myself having in the future. So in the next 5 years, hopefully generational wealth, that's truly the plan.